So last year, this time, a lot of my good friends and folks on this channel were buying deals that they ultimately lost money on. Some of them lost a lot of money. And again, as a practitioner of the business, somebody that has a decent network across the country, I got to tell you, Adrian, I see a lot of stupid flippers doing the same stuff. You guys are buying properties today that you're going to try to exit in December and January and lose your ass. What is going on? Why can't we learn from the past?
What's up, everybody? You guys, this is really important, especially those that are, even if you have friends that are flippers, right? We saw this last year, as you know, as Zuber mentioned. It's going to be a very, very, very interesting next couple of months, and we are seeing a lot of flippers. We are seeing a lot of even new time and experienced flippers that are going heavy on buying deals with the super tight margins that they were buying, very similar to last year.
Dude, this is so much like last year. I mean, so again, we're coming into last year. So last spring, good market, couldn't lose. This, that, the other. You're doing tight deals and making more money. The market trains you to be stupid. Then the market spanked you. And it spanked you hard.
I love that.
Then you got religion. You tightened up your buy box. You got a little tighter. You didn't do the big stuff. Then the spring market comes back and you all look like geniuses. Now you're buying shit that you're going to lose. Why do you guys do this? I get it.
I don't get it. And it's getting worse and worse, Uber. And you know what it is? It's like, so we saw a little fire to the market, right? Little fire kicked off. We started to gain some momentum. You guys, we just have to be careful, right? Learn from past mistakes, right? They say the best way to figure anything out is to learn from other people's mistakes, right? How do you become wise and how do you become wealthy and wise? By making the wrong decisions. Well, how do you not make the wrong decisions? By making the wrong decisions, right? You have to learn from the wrong decisions that you make for them eventually to become right. So it's interesting because all of us, if we just paid attention to what happened last year, what the trends are showing, and we just had a buffer, a just in case, an oh shit buffer, just in case.
No. That's not the right answer. You guys bought the wrong deals. You got weak. You let your buy box expand. You bought what if properties. You know, you're never supposed to buy a property on a busy street, but you don't understand. I got a sweet deal. Blah, 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 blah. That shit doesn't sell in the winter. What are you doing? It's the yeah, but houses that kill flippers. I bought it. Yeah, but I bought it. Yeah, but I mean, come on, people. What are you doing?
Yeah, I couldn't agree with you more on that point. I'm talking about when they purchase it to have that spread, right? You're 100% correct, Zuber. You guys, everybody who's already bought the deal, I don't know what to tell you.
Right? Yeah, you're pregnant. You're pregnant.
Yeah, you're screwed, right? Just find a way to see if you could sell it now and stop the bleeding now versus continue to holding it. But for anybody that is looking at any sort of flip right now, you guys, there has to be an oh shit margin. Yes. And that oh shit margin better be pretty freaking big going into the winter months right now. I don't care what market you're in. We just talked about Inland Empire in the high desert may see a spike in inventory. Okay, if they see a spike in inventory, okay, I just need you guys to pay attention to this. They see a spike in inventory and you already have a very, 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 very small a house where the small percentage of the people are actually going to look at it or even buy it, you are in massive trouble. Just get out of it.
One of the things that
cancel the deal.
Yeah, no, I couldn't agree more. If you can get out, if you got use any of those clauses to get out of the deal, one of the things that's you got to do is again learn from last year. It wasn't even that long. It's not like I'm talking 5 years ago. We're talking last freaking year.
8 months ago.
8 months ago. It's mind-boggling that we're back here again. One of the things that I would tell flippers to do is, you may have holding cost of 4 months in your spreadsheet or 5 months, make it 10. Because what did we learn last year? Is if you had to sell in December, January, or February, you were going to lose money. March got a little bit better. But if you could hold it to April or May, springtime, saved you.
Yep.
Right? So calculate extra holding time at a minimum.
Yep. And the biggest thing on any, just like what Zuber said, on any house that you guys are looking at, if you're getting it, guys, from a wholesaler where it's been stepped on 3 or 4 times, do not take the deal. No. Here's the interesting thing that I'm seeing from us doing quite a bit of wholesale deals and working with a lot of flippers. We'll have flippers come to us and say, Adrian, help me get out of this deal. Okay. I said, okay, what's the address? I look up the address on I just need to inbox it on my email, and I'll see, Zuber, that 5 other companies had that deal. And it started at 500, and the guy I'm talking to ended up buying it for 590. Right. Oh. And they're saying the ARV is 700, supposedly. So there's a lot of stuff we can do up front to prevent a lot of these deals from us even seeing them, from us even getting the thought of, I need to buy this deal. Because, hey guys, look at flippers. I get it. You want to go buy a deal. You may not have a deal right now. You see a deal that comes by. It looks a little sexy. It may not even be that sexy, but the fact that you need a deal or you want a deal right now, you somehow make it sexy in your mind, only to find out that you could have gotten that deal 100 grand less, right? Or you could have gotten another deal 100 grand less had we just been a little bit more patient. So be patient. Don't buy the deal that you're getting from the daisy chainer, and ask them, are you the direct contract holder? And if it's not the direct contract holder, I personally wouldn't buy the deal. I would personally go find a deal yourself. And then, like Zuber says, take into consideration the fact that you're going to hold it longer. Take into consideration the fact that your rehab is going to be $20,000 more. Take into consideration that you may have to give concessions at the end of the sale. And then if it doesn't happen, then you won. But if it does happen, and we all know it's going to happen, at least you're safe.
Yeah. The last thing to talk about here again is a lot of you, frankly, aren't being aggressive enough. Patrick Bet David has this saying, write disrespectful offers. A lot of you are still writing too close to list price.
They're taking them at list price.
What are you guys doing? Right? You make your money when you buy. You also lose your money when you buy.
Right.
So again, as we're going into the slower months, I personally believe this is the time that people who have focused daily discipline to do the work and know how to write disrespectful offers and follow up are going to just you're going to get lifetime great deals. But it takes work and effort and consistency and focus. But it's awesome when it happens.
Yep. Be careful, guys. Just be careful. That's what we're really trying to say in a nutshell.
There you go. Adrian, how can people find you?
Instagram, guys, at Adrian Hernandez. Make sure there's margins in your deals. Make those disrespected offers, and do not take deals from daisy chainers. Be careful.
Amen. The rules to live by. Thanks, buddy.